Hey guys, please wait. I give you an opportunity to learn something new. Actually, guys, Unacademy launched a program called 5-Star Project, where you can learn robotics, poetry, songs, and many more creative things by our Indian based educator for free. Yes, friend, robotics, songs, poetry, and many more creative ideas you can learn for free by Unacademy. Our Indian iconic experts are comes together on your screen to improve your skills. So, friend, join us on 22nd November at 9 am. We are waiting for you. So go and enroll now. Links are in the description box. If you feel this video is helpful for you, then please share and support Sign 007. The team Sign 007 always appreciate your love and support. Thank you so much. Stay connected with us. Love.